All right, Jack, we are here in our garage. You are standing behind a broken washing machine. What are we gonna do?
We're gonna,
Well, what are you gonna do?
I'm gonna, get out the motor of it and we're gonna sell it.
Copper.
Okay, yeah, so we're gonna,
And we're gonna do the dishwasher.
Yep, we'll try a dishwasher too.
Okay.
But yeah, Jack's going to use his tool set and just have fun taking this washing machine apart. And I'm just gonna be here to answer questions. And
Find bits.
yep, so we're gonna see how Jack goes about it and hopefully find a copper motor after the in the end. So here we go.
Okay. Oh gosh, that's fast.
Power tools.
Okay. I'm gonna try and take off the top part first, and then I'll work on the bottom part.
Whatever way you want.
Why is it not turning? That worked.
Exactly 3 hours later.
Why don't you call Brandon?
All right, you're good.
There it goes. Last screw. Down. Just, I think this one.
4 hours later.
Wait. Let me do sniffy. How am I not? Oh, I got it. Oh, God, it's hot.
Yep.
Oh,
Alright, so there's the copper that we're looking for.
nice.
So, I don't know if that comes apart or not. Let's try the little hammer trick.
Okay. I want to hit it. Just slap it with a hammer.
So what you want to do, see it like this, just hammer it right there.
Okay. Just hammer it?
Oh, well, that was easy. Alright, there's the motor. I guess we should make sure it's copper, right?
Yeah. What if it's not?
It might be aluminum.
Or brass?
Gaming ball of foreshadowing.
That would suck.
Oh, bummer.
What is it?
It's aluminum.
No.
See if it was copper. It'd be bright. Or it'd be orange.
Is there copper in the wires? Too bad.
Bummer.
Did all that for nothing. This is what you get.
That escalated fast.
All right, Jack, after all that work, what did we find?
Aluminum.
Oh, no. Show me.
Wait, where is it? Oh, there's some.
Yep, you're right. That's aluminum. Not worth big bucks, is it?